In this video, we will learn how to find out the median of any given data. Here is a caution: the following numbers of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. The following numbers of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. Now we have to find out the median of these goals. Before finding out the median of any data, first step we have to arrange these data in ascending order. The meaning of ascending order: smaller first, greater later. So we arrange these given data in ascending order. So this 0 comes first because it is smaller, then greater than 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 came 4 times because in that data 3 came 4 times, then 4, 4, 2 times, then 5 as per the question. After arranging the data in the ascending order, we try to know that the total number of observation data is in an even number or an odd number. So here total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means total number is in even number. So we will use this formula. We will use this formula: median is equal to n upon 2 term plus n upon 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. The simple meaning is that after arranging the data in ascending order, take two middle value and find out the average of those middle values. Here in this question you can understand better that when we arrange this data in a ascending order, then we find these two middle value, which means that this 3 and this 3, because this side also 4 value, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side also 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that these 2, 3 are in the middle. Just to find the average of this, its mean just add them and divide by 2. In that formula we are doing the same. In this formula, in place of n we will put 10, because total number of well goals are 10, divided by 2, it means fifth term. 10 divided by 2 means fifth term, and then here 10 divided 2 plus 1, it means sixth term. The fifth and sixth term, then total divided by 2. Next step we will get this: in place of n we have written 10, in place of n we have written 10 divided by 2 plus 10 divided by 2 plus 1, and total divided by 2. So here fifth term was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So fifth term was 3 and the sixth term was 3. So we have put like this: 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So we got the 6 divided by 2, then we got 3. So answer median is 3. This is the method of finding out the median when data is in even number. In simple language, again learn that arrange the data in ascending order, take two extreme middle value and find out the average of that. So that will be median when data is in even number. Thank you. When data is in odd number, then there is different method of finding out the median. In this case, we it's very easy to find out the middle value. Just look at this data here. Total, when we count, then total data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of observation is 11. So when it's very easy to find out the of middle value in this. But as in before we have told, we have this, we have as before I have told you that the first step is arrange the data in ascending order. So we have arranged this data in ascending order. First a small number, then greater, then greater, then greater. In this we have arranged the given data in ascending order. After that we will apply formula. Here total number of observation is in odd number. That is why we will use this formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 term. Here just keep in your mind that we are using the word term. Here median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 term. As we counted before, we came to know that here total number of observation are 11. It means we will, so in place of n we have written 11 plus 1 divided by 2. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 upon 2. When we will solve, so 12 divided by 2, it means sixth term. So answer came sixth term will be the median. So in given that ascending order, we will see which is the sixth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this 3 will be the median of this. So 3 will be the median. So here we have discussed how to find out the median of given data. There is two methods. First, when data is in even number, then we use different formula. When data is in odd number, then we use different formula. But in both the cases, first step, arrange the data in ascending order, then apply the appropriate formula, then compute the median. In general language, the meaning of median is the middle value. So when data is in odd number, then it's very easy to find out the median. We can choose the middle value after arranging the data in ascending order. But when data is in even number, that time after arranging the data in ascending order, we take the two middle value and find out the average of that. This is a very important question with view of SA2 exam.